100 to 165K. So you want to be an automation QA engineer, but you're curious about the salaries. Let's talk about it. If you're new here, my name's the Test Lead. I make content to help you on your software testing journey. Today's video is going to dig in to realistic salary expectations for this role. Let's get started. Now, let's search for realistic automation QA engineer salaries. Just like with our manual QA check, we'll start our search with Google. And here in Google, we have the average in New York City, because that's where I live, is 117,000. Now let's search through Glassdoor. Once again, Glassdoor aggregates a bunch of salary information from different companies. So if we ask Glassdoor, they say the range is between 112 and 172 for all years of experience. So that includes newcomers as well as people who have 10, 15, 20 years of experience in the field. So that's why this average might be skewed a little higher, with the pay breakdown being 88 to 126 being base pay, and then an extra 24 to 46 being bonuses, stock, and so on. And once again, this is for New York City. New York has a high cost of living, so to match that, these salaries also are a little higher. Also, normally they have top companies down here in their pay. So for Robinhood, for senior positions, they have between 139 and 213K. Cisco, between 140 and 197. Trulia, between 133 and 200K, and so on. Once again, these are all New York City-based jobs, which is why the pay is a little higher. Now let's search for regular places in different areas. So we go to Salaries, and we search for automation QA engineer. And let's say Wisconsin again. Press search. Let's say automation QA engineer. And let's say Florida. In Florida, the average is between 83 and 120K for total salary, with the pay breakdown being between 72K and 99 for base pay, 11 to 21 for additional pay. Now, if you're new to the field, you should search for 0 to 1 years. And you see, the base pay breakdown is between 53 and 87K, with bonuses between 9K and 18K, having a total pay of around 62 to 104K. Now mid-level, total pay is 77 to 130K. Now more senior level. Quick break. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If so, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you need help on your software testing journey, check out my website, thetestinglead.com. I have books, courses, and other content to help you on your journey. Now, back to the video. Let's go back. And now let's search for North Carolina. The average North Carolina is between 93 and 125, with the base being between 81 and 104. 0 to 1 years, 68 to 115. 4 to 6, 85 to 140K. 10 plus years, 107K to 168K. So once again, you can come here to Glassdoor, create a free account, and then search for Automation QA Engineer, and then type in your location. And that's how you can get your expected salary for your location. If you live in a low cost of living place, don't base your expected salary off of somewhere like Seattle or New York where the cost of living is higher. Because of higher cost of living, there's usually higher pay associated with that. I hope seeing these realistic expectations for a salary helps you. Next up, you should probably watch this video here or this one down here. And more importantly, don't forget this, learn something new today.